What is Excel and why is it used? What is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft and is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It allows users to analyze data, create reports, and perform calculations using tables, formulas, and functions. Why is Excel used? Data entry and organization. Store and manage data efficiently in rows and columns within a worksheet. Mathematical calculations. Perform operations using built-in formulas like SUM, average, if, VLOOKUP. Data analysis. Utilize filters, sorting, and pivot tables to analyze large datasets. Chart and graph creation. Visually represent data using bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs. List and table management. Used by companies to manage inventory, budgets, schedules, and simple databases. Task automation. Automate repetitive tasks using VBA, Visual Basic for applications, to save time. Where is Excel used? Business and corporations, sales analysis, financial reporting, HR management. Accounting and finance, creating financial statements, calculating taxes and expenses. Education, managing student grades and performance analysis. Retail and inventory management, tracking products and sales. Project management, planning tasks and tracking deadlines.